What is up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? I am so sorry. Hey, everyone, this is That Programming Guy, and remember, you guys can do the thing. How are you all doing today? How is everyone? Today is Sunday, in case you somehow didn't know that. Most of America has tomorrow off. I don't. So, I'll be working tomorrow, and as well as streaming tomorrow, like the worker I am. How is everyone doing today? Look at this! Look at this. It's a Super Mario World Cup. It's one of those ones that like light up or whatever when you put hot water. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. That's really good. All right. So hello. So we are doing the serverless stack. And I kind of have no idea what I finished with yesterday. I think I made a user in Azure, according to make a test user, and then we made a service plan. And then from the service plan, I think we can make the app. So I think that's what we're doing. Oh, that's repository. Okay, where the fuck are we? Alright, so we made the Cosmos DB table. Sorry, guys, it's been a week. It's been a long week. So we made the Cosmos DB table. We created the bucket, so we created the storage account. Yeah, got that. We created the user pool. I don't know. We created the Azure Active Directory. We created the user. I think we'll need a way to access the app. So I'll get there later. Made the domain name. Alright, so I know we created the user. So now we're here. So now we need the serverless stack. Okay, cool. So let me open some PowerShell. Alright, so if we have AZ something. Alright, so we made the... fuck. We made the service plan. Azure functions? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So now we need to know how to get started. And then I think... because I know I followed this. I followed this. How do I make... okay, I don't want the business application Azure. Okay. Create a function app. Alright. Oh my god, guys. Coffee is so good. Coffee is delicious. I don't know if you've done that yet. Coffee is really fucking good. Well, I'm glad you guys can't see my password, huh? That's great. If I can enter my damn password correctly, that is. Okay, cool, wonderful. So here we are. Sorry. So we have just recently made the service plan. No idea what a service plan is. Oh, did it not say we made one? Serverless stack SP. There we are. That's what I'm looking for. App service plan. This is what we need. Awesome. Okay, we made that. Now, I'm assuming we have to app to this to be like, okay, cool. Here's what this is. But what is an app service plan? I have no idea. I know I did this before. In an app service, an app runs in an app service plan. So we need to make the application. Fine. An app service plan defines a set of compute resources for the web app to run. These compute resources are non-analogous to server farm. Yes, great. Okay. So now I guess we need AZ function. Oh, is that right? This is huge, Darren. Alright, I forgot the function to deal with Azure functions. Alright, where the fuck is this? I just need to make... I know it was really hard for me to find it as well. I know it was uber hard. AZ App Service Plan. AZ App Service Plan? I know it's going to be forever to find what I was looking for last time. Create an app service plan. Delete an app service plan. Okay, so I've made an app service plan, so I don't need that. So I need to make an Azure function. Excuse me. We're going to use C# because I know C#. Oh, shit. Do I have Visual Studio installed on here? I don't know. So I made the app service. That's fine. I mean, do I... yes, that's fine. Consumption plan is, I think, what we're looking for, not an app service plan. Creating your first Azure function, I guess. Azure function lets HTTP code in serverless environment. If you don't have Azure subscriptions, create a free account, log into Azure, create a function app. From the Azure portal, select create a resource, compute function app. Computer! Computer! Hello, computer! Fuck! Okay. If you go to this, just decide to make a... Where the hell are you? Where are you? There you are. Go over there. Compute? Compute? Wow, that's really fucking cool. Oh my god, why is this so hard? Oh, I see, compute. Oh, I see. Okay, where is my... function app? Will you tell me the PowerShell I need to use to create you? No. Oh, yes, I remember function apps. Alright, I'm starting to get this. I remember this from last week, from last episode. Alright. We can do this shit. We got this. Okay. Okay. Function app. PowerShell. No, not Azure. AZ function app. Jesus Christ. That took long enough. Alright, so now we found that. AZ function app. Configure commands create. Alright, so we need the name of the function app. Serverless stack function app. We need the resource group. Serverless stack RG. We need the storage account. Serverless stack SA. I think that's it. Boom. Yay! Damn it! Consumption plan location? You know, Microsoft, if you're watching this, don't tell me that I have to add more shit if it's not required. Consumption plan location? Yeah, you're not saying it's required. Come on, dude. Consumption, SUMPTION, plan, location. I think I'm putting everything into West US. Oh, it needs a queue endpoint. Okay, do you have a queue endpoint? I don't fucking know. Oh. Huh. Well, I need a queue. That's good to know. Delete that. Excuse me. Let's make another one with a queue. Storage count. Serverless stack, resource group, access tier, kind, blob storage. Alright, what is the kind of storage I need to have queues, huh? I deleted you. Add. Pay as you go. Resource group, serverless stack RG, storage count name. Serverless. Fucking serverless. Oh my god. Serverless stack SA. There we go. Let's make this in West US, because that's where I am. Storage. General purpose storage. Yeah. Okay, that's what I need. Blob storage counts, especially storing blob data and support an access tier, which allows you to specify how frequently data in the account is accessed. I just think I just need V1, don't I? I like how it goes me to here's how to create a storage. I'm like, that's not what I need. Tell me the difference between V1 and V2. That's all fine, whatever. Just locally redundant. Alright. So I need to make an account kind. Access tier, cool kind. Fuckity fuck. Shit. I have no idea what this is. SC storage account. AZ storage, fuck, STR storage account. Because I need the kind. Create. Storage v2. Oh, it has a default. That's cool. Storage v2. Okay. Ah, shit. What did I just do? Okay. Wonderful. Save. Let's run this command and see what happens. Alright, now we have to wait. Oh, really? Why? Whatever. Now we have to wait for this to run. So, it seems like we need something with the queue. So it seems like we might need 2 storage accounts. One for the queue and one for the blob storage, but we'll see. Okay, that's done. Cool. So now we're going to make the function app. Bum bum ba da ba ba ba. Do 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 ba da ba ba bum ba da bum 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 do 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 do. Wait, what? Okay, that's fine. So now we're just waiting for this to run. I don't know how long this is going to take to run, but whatever. I guess we'll just read the documentation while it's running. Made that. So we made the function app. Cool. So now we have to actually make the function that goes into the function app. Expand your new function, select the plus button and choose import and select continue. In the webhook and API, select create. Okay, I think that's what we're going to be making once this is done. So that's running. So I guess I'll just copy this. Make the function app. And so what I'm going to do is after all of this is done, I'm going to just run all of this as one and see kind of what happens. Oh my god, this is taking forever, guys. What do you want to talk about? Why do we wait for this to run? I mean, at least I'm not making a fucking HT Insight cluster. Those take like 20 minutes to spin up and make. It's crazy. Ow! La-di-da-di-da. Everyone on YouTube is like, what the fuck are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for this to finish. I did not know this would take so long. I didn't even know this would take so long either. So it's like we had to look at the thing for AWS and we had to go to the Azure website to know how to do this in Azure because, oh my god, it's not Microsoft. A service app, a function app, a function. What the hell? Fuck. I mean, I get it. I understand. A function app is to group functions together. I totally get that. Whatever, it's annoying. Oh my god, not done yet. Jesus fucking Christ. It's taking forever. How long does this usually take? Please be patient. Please be patient and kind. Hey, there we go. All right, so now we made the function app. So now we have to actually make the damn function. And I don't know if we can do this from here. Config. Okay. Okay, so that's made. Create an HTTP. So now we have to make a function that goes into the function app. Okay, that's fine. Config cores deployment. No. Create. We already created, right? That's what we ran. We had to create. Yeah, we had to create. So we have one of those. That's fine. Okay, so now we made that, which is great. Damn it. No, go away. Go away, fucking dick. There you go. Alright. I see. So now we have to use Visual Studio to make this. I guess we could do it in the portal. I wonder if there's a way to do it not in the portal. Okay. Function app. Deploy the function. I see, so we have to use it. Okay, so we're gonna follow. So it seems like then we have to use Visual Studio, which is fine. Oh shit! Do I not have Visuals? I don't have Visual Studio installed on this computer. Oh boy, that's something I should have thought of. Well, it looks like we'll follow this on how to use Visual Studio. Yay! You must install Visual Studio 19. Make sure Azure Development is also installed. Well, considering I'll probably as well be doing some C# stuff. Guys, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio. We're going to download Community because it's free. Oh, it's a free trial for individual use and free trial for organizations. Yeah. And then I really have no idea what to do while we wait for this to download. I guess I can do it in the portal at the moment, because I'll have to download this anyway. And then I guess once Visual Studio starts downloading, I'll see if there's other ways to make the app via in the portal, so you guys can just get this going. It's a good amount of coffee. All right, Azure Development. We don't know. We need the C# desktop development. We don't have to develop with C++ right now, nor are we doing any UWP stuff. Well, that would be an actually really other interesting thing to make, is to show you more Azure stuff and as well more UWP stuff. I think we got that. Oh, I need SQL Server for Azure. Okay, MSX packaging tools. All right. I think that's it. 10.23 gigs. Install. While downloading. Alright. So this would actually probably go faster if I wasn't actually streaming. Alright guys, so while that does its thing, we're gonna do this. we're going to do this. Oh, this is via C#. Where's the in-house one that I was looking at? Oh, fuck a duck. Where are you? Shit. Shit. I lost it. That's what we need. Create a function app. Compute function app. Ooh, I had a bit too much garlic there. My head's starting to hurt. Use the function app settings. Oh, I already made the function app. Alright, so we made the function app. That's cool. Expand your new function app. And then, okay, so we have to go to my function app. So it is Serverless Stack FA. See, isn't this naming thing, like, awesome? You know, because it's all called Serverless Stack. I'm just changing the suffix and makes it so I can remember everything. Alright, so we're going to do the plus. Function runtime stack. We're making .NET. Choose the development environment. We're going to do in Portal right now. We're going to make a webhook plus API. Which is, for this, what we're doing is, yeah, a function that will run whenever it receives an HTTP request. Create. Now, I guess we wait for this to be created. Oh my god, I had too much garlic. Because garlic is great for losing weight and it tastes good. It just, if you eat too much, you'll start to get a headache, which is just odd. So I can tell I'm having a garlic headache. And it actually hurts quite a lot. Like, this garlic headache fucking hurts. Oh wow, it literally makes it for us. Wait, what? What is this pound R? Are we saying we can define references just with pound R now? Public static async task I action result run HTTP request I logger log information C# HTTP trigger function process request string the name, get the name of the request body dynamic. Oh shit, okay. Kind of using dynamic. JSON convert deserialize object request body into JSON, convert into a dynamic. Get the name if it exists. Return name. Oh, guys, why the fuck are you using a ternary if statement? Come on. Come on. If it does not equal null, then get the hello name. Otherwise, say it's a bad request object result. Okay. Well, guys, it is 30 minutes, so it is now for some shameless advertising for you, since I love you all, and all of you all are great. Guys, as you know, I'm, doing this. This is great. That program guy is fucking awesome. Fuck, I don't even know how to start this. I offer program coaching. I work at Microsoft. I've been working as a software developer for like 5 years, I think. I know a good amount of stuff. If you need help with anything programming related, from I don't know how to start programming to here's my college homework, can you help me with it? Even though that's technically, I think, cheating. To pros and cons between coding boot camp and college, to let's manipulate the L3 cache, need your help with the research, to I want to make an app, can you help me, point me in the right direction to make an app? Anything like that, anything programming related, I will totally help you with. Program coaching is great, wonderful. Nightbot hasn't said anything yet, but that's because no one's talking. But still, I do offer program coaching, $60 an hour. It's great value. It's awesome. Additionally, you support a small business. The money actually goes to that programming guy corporation, which is the business that I own, and not actually me. And I would use it to basically do some advertising, to basically make it so my skills here are more well known. And my idea is hope that, with the more support I get, the basically the more I can stream, which is I know what you guys like. So guys, if you do want to talk to me about coaching, which you can totally do, you can email me. It's it's free to email me. We can talk about it, stuff like that. Send me an email at darren.hona@thatprogrammingguy.com. Send me an email to there. We'll talk about it. Before, if we decide to actually go with the first session, we can have a free 30-minute. Also, we can do this online, by the way. Like we can do calls online. We don't actually have to be together to do coaching. But what do you want? No, that was really fast. What is it? Yeah, so I do offer program coaching. It's pretty great. Email me here. If you want to get it done, great, wonderful. We'll have a 30-minute session. We'll plan a first 30-minute session to make sure I understand you and you understand me and you like me, and I understand what you want to get out of these sessions. Because if you don't like me, then you're not going to learn anything, and I'm not going to be able to help you, which sucks. But consider doing that. I would love it. I like helping people. This is why I'm kind of doing this. If you're on YouTube, the link will be in the description. You can email me there. Additionally, guys, I do have a Discord channel. So the link to that will be in the description below. I would love it if you could join me. It's kind of lonely in there. The only thing that's really saying anything is the bot that says I'm streaming and Chiroptical is streaming. What else, guys? I do sell t-shirts. That Programming Guy Corp does sell t-shirts. They are fucking the best. These are really great. Like, for example, if you need to stand out, like if you go to an interview, these will make you stand out so hard. So if you go to thatprogrammingguy.com, click on the picture here, right? Boom, done. Awesome t-shirt. I offer men's, women's t-shirts all the way from small to 2X large. Here's a small white t-shirt on somebody. Look how great it is. Look how fucking awesome and sexy this guy is. $40. This t-shirt's yours. Great t-shirt, great quality. It feels fucking great on your skin, and really, this will probably maybe even help you in interviews. I don't know. It seems like it would, because it's hard not to notice somebody with a giant fucking rainbow unicorn. But I don't know. $40. Again, this supports That Programming Guy, so I can start streaming more, which I know is great, which is what you want. If you would like to support me in a non-monetary way, which is totally fine, it's great, guys. Give me a follow. If you're on Twitch, give me a follow. I'd love those follows. They're great. If you're on YouTube, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you hate what you see, give me a thumbs down. But if you do give me a thumbs down, send me a comment. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you don't like, because I would like to improve for you guys. And also give me a subscription. I'm managedly right now at 51, which is just uber crazy. But yeah, so those are ways to support me. You can either, purchase an hour of program coaching. You can purchase a t-shirt, which will be sent out to you in like 1 to 2 weeks. Or you can follow me on Twitch or subscribe to me on YouTube. Anyway, guys, that is that. So name Azure. Hello, Azure. Run. So I've changed the name to hello, hello. It should say hello, hello. Haha. Cool. Go away now. Alright, so what's the function URL? Default function key? Master default. I like how Control A copies everything. Serverless stack, HTTP trigger code, blah, 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 blah. Oh, queries. I don't know how to do query strings. I totally forgot. It's the ands. Okay. It's the and. And name is equal to hello. Yay! Cool, it works. Awesome. And that was actually pretty fast, too. That's really cool. So now we go here. We copied it. Great, wonderful. So now we will have to make this in Azure Visual Studio. And I can't run Visual Studio right now because I need to restart my computer. So let me just talk to you about this, just so you guys know what's happening, since some of you may or may not know C#, which is fine. One, I don't even know what the fuck this $R is for. That's really... Oh, it's a CSX file. Okay. So here's the using statements. You know, this is the same thing like includes in C++ or Java. So we just define a method here. And remember way back in episode 1 where I was talking about like defining methods. And so if we do this, we just have to define one method and that's it. This is the method that I'm talking about. Of course, this is still kind of confusing. Now that I see this, this is actually kind of confusing still. You know, if you look at this, you're like, why? What's task? What are the carets for? What's all this other stuff? It's kind of, yeah, kind of confusing. But yeah, so let me explain this to you. So you have a logger. We have a logger called log. It's an iLogger, so it's an interface. We have an HTTP request, which is REQ. I would change this to request, make this easier. Seems like the function has to be public static async, which makes sense. This is probably run somewhere else with async happens. This returns a task of an action result, which I don't know how that factors into what shows up on the screen, but okay. All right, so basically, red request.query gets us the query string. And basically, we're just getting the name. So basically, I think like red.query actually returns the key value pair in probably like a hash map or a dictionary in this case, because C# uses dictionaries. Oh, it uses MVC. Interesting. So we get the name, because we said, hey, we want the name. We make a stream reader, and we say, oh, read to the end and make it async. So we get the body. We get the body here. And then we deserialize the body into basically a JSON object, and we use the word dynamic. Why is JSON convert.deserialize object to dynamic? Oh, that's probably because we don't know what it is. That's why. Okay, so since the request body could be kind of any kind of JSON, we don't know what kind of JSON we're going to get back, we make it dynamic. And dynamic represents dynamic variables. And then we go, all right, if data.name is not null, assign its name. I was saying if we can't give the name, get it from the request body. And then we say, okay, if we actually have the name, make an OK object result with the text hello name and transfer it into an action result, and somehow that gets passed back, and I don't know why this is printed to the screen. I don't understand, actually. Can we make one in... Oh, we can't make one in Java, can we? Can we make one in Java? Yeah, let's... How does it look at... Oh, hello. Sure, great. How does it look in Java? No, I don't want it in C#. It's not what I want. Delete. Yes. Functions. New function. That's a lot here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, can I not have functions in different languages? So if I exit out of there, so if no functions, create a function, HTTP trigger, 1. Why? Wait, I am confused as fuck. Can I change you to JavaScript? Because I did see that it said, hey, do you want to do this in JavaScript? I'm not a dumbass, right? What are you saving? Yes. Yes, serverless stack, FA. The function apps, yeah. Well, that's interesting. Oh my god. Okay, that was way too much garlic and I'm getting tired. Oh, well. Fancy. Well, this is really interesting. Functions. I have none. Delete you. Yes. Proxies and slots? Anyways, guys, this is kind of it. This is what I'm looking for. In portal. Continue. Webhook. Create. Oh. Whatever, guys. This is in C#. Alright, so we have it here. So I guess we could do something like this as well. We could just go like... Wait, don't go like that. Hold on, Darren. Don't be a dumbass. Return new... I can do like this, right? ACTION result. And then new OK object result. YOLO, motherfucker. Save. Get function URL. Copy. It works! Cool! So technically, we have now made this. We have now made the serverless stack. I don't know what I'm gonna do next week. I guess I can continue on this, but I don't know exactly what I'll do. So what have we done today? Not a lot. We made the function app, and they made the function. I guess next week I'll show you how to make this in Visual Studio and how to follow that, but you can also do it in the portal, which is actually quite interesting. What would you do with this? You know, let's say that on the back end, you know, somebody's running a notebook application, they need to save something to their database. You could actually have this as a webhook, and then the save function on your backend application would call the URL with the information, and then this would run. It would integrate with the Cosmos DB, and it will go, okay, save this information, and that's it. And it's all async. So that means your user isn't waiting, and you're not waiting either. So you can do a lot of stuff like that. It's a lot of stuff. But because it's serverless, we don't have to make our own service. We don't have to make our own database. We don't have to have a database on our server. We don't have on our computer. We don't have to have other things on our computer. We can just make the function. There we go. So I think maybe next week, I'll show you how to do this in Visual Studio, and we'll just run all of this. And I guess basically next week what we'll do is we will run all of this. Basically install CLI and setup. We will install all of this and make sure this works. I guess that's the next thing, is to make sure the PowerShell actually kind of works, huh? So it'll be interesting. So yeah, next episode, guys, we'll get this working with Visual Studio. Once that works, I guess we'll just delete everything and try to make this whole entire work with PowerShell. Which will actually be really interesting, because I know there's going to be a lot of talking, because it'll be nothing. So I'm going to end the episode here, guys. I want to do Visual Studio and have to restart my computer for that. So yeah, guys, it was fun. It was great. If you guys are on YouTube, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, or give me a subscription. If you're on Twitch, please follow me. I love the support. If you want to support me in other ways, you can purchase an hour of programming coaching, or you can buy a t-shirt, which is great. But in case lurkers who are lurking, thank you so very much for lurking. Watchers who are watching, thank you so very much for watching. Bots who are botting, thank you so very much for botting. If you want to see more of me, you can check out my YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can catch me tomorrow at 8 in the morning as I play some more Xenogears. Alright, I love you all, and I'll see you all either tomorrow or next week. Oh, and remember, you can do the thing.